Today, we're going to make fall off the bone spare ribs in black bean sauce. To begin, we're going to use some preserved beans. Take about a handful of preserved beans and wash thoroughly. Place the black beans in the mortar and pestle. Crush the black beans until it's smooth. See, that's the consistency that we're looking for. Next, add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Mix the garlic with the crushed black beans. Alternatively, whole garlic cloves can be used. Now we're going to prepare the spare ribs. Cut the spare ribs in 1-inch cubes. Let's speed this up. Now, to begin cooking, we're going to start the Instant Pot with the saute function. Begin with 15 minutes. Add some oil. Now add the black bean and garlic mixture to the oil. Toss it about. And now it's time to add the spare ribs. Mix the spare ribs thoroughly with the black beans. Add some seasoning. Add some salt, some pepper, and some sesame oil. Now you want to toss thoroughly. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of water. Now hit cancel on the Instant Pot and add the lid back on. When putting the lid back on, ensure the valve is in the sealing position. We're going to pressure cook on high pressure for 20 minutes. "20 minutes has been completed. It's time for a quick release. Now let's see the semi-finished product. As you can see, there's some fat and some impurities. You can skim the fat and impurities as required. Now let's add some potatoes to finish off the dish. I used about 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes. We're going to add the lid back on and ensure the valve is in the sealing position. Hit cancel on the pressure cooker and we're going to cook on high pressure for 3 minutes. 3 minutes has been completed. It's time for another quick release. Now let's open the lid and see the semi-finished product again. We're going to hit cancel onto the Instant Pot because we're going to use the saute function to thicken the sauce. To thicken the sauce, we're going to make a cornstarch slurry. We're going to dissolve about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in about 30 milliliters of water. Now we're slowly going to add our cornstarch slurry. Remember, the mixture should be boiling, and when you're adding the cornstarch slurry, you want to continuously stir the sauce to make sure it's nice, even, and thick. Now it's time for plating. Serve in a dish or over a plate of rice. Enjoy! And if you like this video or recipe, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching!